My name is Debbie Robinson. I'm Head of Store Operations for Cinch Self Storage. So customers accessing the Pro Edge lock is really simple. We have a special app that they can download onto their phone, and it gives them the ability to get into their storage unit really freely. It actually bolsters up the security as well, because obviously they're not worrying about losing an access code or anything like that. They have their own individual app, and then that gives them access into the store and into their storage unit specifically. Downloading the cloud app is really simple. Our store team guide the customer through the whole process. It can be easily downloaded onto their iPhone or onto their Android phone. Setting up the StorID app is really simple, and the customer is sent an operator code via text message, and they download the app, pop that code into their app, and it sets up seamlessly for them. So it's a really easy user experience. The other great part of it is that the customer can also opt to give specific people access to their storage unit using exactly the same process. So it just enhances the security for that individual customer. Once the customer has the StorID app set up, they will get a homepage which enables them to see every access point that they can access into the building. So they'll see the loading bay door, the sliding door, and the gate as well. Once they're into the building, when they approach their storage unit, they'll also have their unit appear on the app. You simply slide across and the latch will open for you. It couldn't be easier.